Illinois Weather Network, I'm Larry Estep. Looks like we have some severe weather potential over the next 24 hours, mainly after midnight tonight across portions of central Illinois. It'll start a lot sooner, though, over portions of the south, the mid-south this evening, expecting an outbreak of severe weather, and we're going to take a look at all that here. With some of the maps, as we've got an early season severe weather outbreak definitely in tap for many states between now and this time tomorrow. We're looking for the potential of some long-track tornadoes and also some pretty torrential rainfall. Let's take a look first at what the National Weather Service in Lincoln, Illinois here is predicting for folks here in central Illinois. You can see here right now they're thinking the severe threat around central and southern Illinois will mainly be after 3 a.m. Wednesday morning. So as you wake up tomorrow morning, you may be dealing with severe weather already. Major outbreak of heavy rainfall will occur from areas from Peoria through Springfield, Bloomington, Champaign. 2 inches plus in rainfall likely. Would not be surprised at all to see a flash flood watch issued for this part of the state by later on this afternoon for the daytime hours tomorrow. Windy conditions also, winds in excess of 40 miles an hour at times throughout the day tomorrow, which will mean any of these thunderstorms that do develop with this heavy rainfall could produce some power outages, trees down, things like that. As we move a little further south, the Storm Prediction Center is looking for more in the possibility of severe weather. Let's take a look first at today's outlook and show you what's going on from the Storm Prediction Center. Arkansas, eastern Texas, northwestern Louisiana, all in a moderate risk, a slight risk of severe weather, all the way up into the St. Louis area, and then general thunderstorms forecast all the way over into Indiana. I don't think we're really going to see much in the way of precipitation here today. Mainly temperatures in the lower 70s for daytime high, 60s as you go further to the east. But the potential's there for a scattered thunder shower or two as the afternoon hours go on, more likely late in the evening, and then definitely tomorrow morning. Again, back to the maps. And let's take a look at tomorrow's outlook now. Now, this would be from around 7 a.m. tomorrow throughout the day. We kind of move things a little bit further to the east. No moderate risk here yet, although I wouldn't be surprised to see that added later on today. But a slight risk of severe weather for folks throughout the Ohio Valley, pretty much from I-70 and the St. Louis area east, through the Indianapolis area, Memphis, Nashville, over into the Smoky Mountains, the Appalachians, portions of West Virginia, even looking at chances of severe weather. Back closer to home, a flash flood watch area is in green, goes into effect this afternoon. This pretty much covers the southwestern third of Illinois through St. Louis, down through Columbia, Missouri. Most of the middle part of the state of Missouri looking for over 3 inches of rainfall potential over the next 24 hours. It's going to be a fast-moving front, though. I don't think we'll have to deal with afternoon thunderstorms on Wednesday. National Weather Service out of Springfield, Missouri here, looking at the potential again for a moderate risk of severe weather. This would be from Branson, Missouri south. So through the Arklatex region, we're looking at the possibility of some severe weather. Little Rock, Fayetteville also in the path of those storms. You see the cold front trailing out to the east of Oklahoma City there. That will be moving towards the east and the northeast and affecting the folks in Springfield, Missouri, Kansas City even possible for some severe weather. And as we move on further to the east, looking at locally higher amounts than 2 inches possible, but this time Wednesday morning you'll see that front around 7 a.m. Wednesday morning just to the middle part of the state of Missouri, moving kind of right along I-44 there towards St. Louis. Severe weather in front of that. I think it may have already passed portions of west central Illinois by that point, so Quincy, you'll be out of the severe weather threat by early tomorrow morning. If we get daytime heating during the day tomorrow as this system moves east, that's the big concern, because the more heating we get, the more sunshine we get during the afternoon hours with these high winds and abundant tropical moisture coming up from the Gulf. We could see the potential of some significant tornadoes developing in this line of thunderstorms as it marches into portions of Indiana, Kentucky, and Tennessee. Again, 3 a.m. to noon for the Lincoln National Weather Service prediction right now for central Illinois from Peoria over through Quincy, south through Effingham, Champaign, Lawrenceville, all under the gun for the possibility of severe weather. But today, let's take a look at this map again and go through this. Public severe weather outlook just coming out from the Storm Prediction Center in Norman, Oklahoma, talking about the area most likely to experience severe weather today. A moderate risk from western and central Arkansas, northwestern Louisiana, eastern Oklahoma, and north central and northeast Texas. Elsewhere, severe storms are also possible from the mid-Mississippi Valley into central and southeast Texas. The development of a few strong long-track tornadoes and widespread damaging winds are possible over parts of the Arklatex region later this afternoon and tonight. I would not be surprised at all, looking at the latest models, to see this go to a high-risk area before the afternoon hours are over. So our threat here in Illinois, it looks like after 3 a.m. tomorrow morning. Definitely spotter activation will probably be needed after midnight tonight, throughout the midday hours tomorrow. But a fast mover again, then we set ourselves back up for more seasonably normal weather. Chance of snow in the forecast with temperatures in the 30s again by Friday. So it's topsy-turvy. This is the outbreak, or this is the anniversary rather of the outbreak of the deadly tornadoes down in St. Louis many years ago, and hopefully we don't have a repeat of that as we talk to you again later on today into tomorrow. I'm Larry Estep in the Central Illinois Fire Network Weather Center. Stay tuned for the latest weather information.